Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So there are three new updates that you guys might be missing out on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's start off with the first update, and for that you just have to simply go to your settings, and from here you have to select software and update. And after selecting software update, you just have to simply select download and install. And after clicking on download and install, you will get to see that there is a new update available of October 1st 2024. So this is the first update that I got after the One UI 6.1 update, which brings in the One UI 6.1 features. And if we talk about that, what's new coming up with this update, so this update brings in some device stability improvements and the bug fixes and new or enhanced features. Also, it includes some further improvements to the performance. This is a 421 MBs of update, and you just have to simply click on this download option to download this update, and then you have to simply install this. The installation process might take a while, so make sure to install it when your device is completely free. And now let's move on to the next update, and the next update that I got is in the Galaxy Store app. For that, you just have to go to Galaxy Store and then click on this menu and then updates. From this updates option, you will get to see that there are multiple new updates available to install and download. First up, we have this voice recorder update that includes some bug fixes. Then we have Samsung account update, gaming hub update, and many other updates like pen up and smart things. So there are some new features now available with the smart things, and some changes have been made in the favorites tab that has been replaced with the home tab. Next, we have some features available in the Samsung Health. In the Samsung Health, you can now manage your daily wellness by your energy score and improve your energy with the personalization tips with the Galaxy Watch 4 and above. Also, you can set your health focus and get useful advices as well. And to update these apps, you just have to simply click on update all, and all the apps will be start to update. And after updating these apps, you will get to see all these new features and the bug fixes will be there. And now let's move on to the next update that we have on the list. For that, you just have to go to your settings and then click on about phone and then software information. And after clicking on software information, you just have to simply click on Google Play System Update. So your Google Play System update will be on the 1st September 2024, but from here you can update it to the latest 1st October 2024. You just have to check for the updates, and you will get to see a new update which will be of 78 MBs in size, and it will include latest security update from the Google, which will keep your device safe and improve your device stability. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some updates that you guys might be missing out. And also do let me know in the comment section that have you updated your device or not, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.